I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you are looking to cancel your YouTube TV subscription, follow these steps to make it easy. Step 1. Sign into YouTube TV. Go to the YouTube TV website and log in using your Google account credentials. Step 2. Access your account settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Membership. In the Settings menu, find and click on Membership to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Note, make sure to check the billing cycle. If you cancel too late, you might still be charged for the next month. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After cancellation, you should receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox to ensure the process was successful. I hope this guide helps you navigate the cancellation process smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.